There, Derek Rainey here with Speakfluence. I want to take this moment to welcome you to my YouTube channel. You have come to the right place for mastering the art of public speaking. You know, every time you look around, there's always a video out there that, will tell you, how to get the speaking gig and what to do with the speaking gig and all of that. But I firmly believe that when you get the speaking gig, you need to be able to have something to say. And then you also need to be able to deliver what it is you're trying to say. And that's what I want to help you with. Listen, with over 19 years of experience, coaching championship winning speakers, coaching national teams to championship level speakers, I want to share with you the secrets to success that I've learned over the last 19 years. So listen, I want you to chime into my channel each and every week as I share with you expert advice, as I share with you tips that will help you to be able to take your speaking to the next level. So let me help you take your speaking to the next level, one word at a time. I'm looking forward to it. Look, click the link below, subscribe to my channel. You don't want to miss this, and let me help you take your speaking to the next level. Listen, I look forward to seeing you in my next video. See you then.